Looking for a quick sweet treat? Then try this traditional Bengali sweet dish Patishapta Pithe. Just follow some easy steps and indulge in the goodness. Patishapta Pithe is a Bengali cuisine which must be tried by all sweet lovers. It is a very popular Bengali sweet dish prepared on the occasion of Makar Sankranti or Posh Parban. So let's check the ingredients to make this. The ingredients are concentrated milk, sugar, green cardamom, salt, semolina, rice flour and all-purpose flour. With that milk. Now let's begin our recipe. To start with, first take a mixing bowl, then into it add 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, then half cup of rice flour and 1/4 cup of semolina, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now into it gradually I will mix 1 cup of milk in room temperature and 1 cup of water. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix it well until smooth consistency reached. For this you need to add water and milk gradually according to the needs of the batter. Patishapta is a type of pithe. It is light crepe filled with either kheer or a coconut and jaggery mixture. In this recipe, I have shown you how to make the version with kheer or concentrated milk stuffing. To make perfect Patishapta pithe, it is very important to prepare the perfect batter for the crepe. Please follow the measurement given in the description box below. You can double or triple the quantity as well for mass preparation. Make a smooth lumps-free batter and allow it to rest for at least 1 hour to get a perfect Patishapta. Cover it and keep aside for later use. Then on the other side, take a pan, add half liter of milk. In a medium-high flame, boil it. Stir it continuously and when it starts to bubble, then into it add 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Add 200 grams of concentrated milk or khoa. If you don't have this, you can substitute it with normal milk powder. Then stir it continuously until it becomes little thick in a medium-high flame. Once the milk has thickened such that when you lift some of it on your spoon and drop it, it falls in clumps. Make a paste of 2 teaspoons of rice flour and half cup of water. Then add this paste to the pan. Stir and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. After that, when big bubbles start to come out, then put off the flame and allow the heat to cool down before proceeding to the next stage. Once it reached room temperature, the kheer will become thick. Now take a non-stick pan. Once it heats up, add 1/4 teaspoon of ghee and with a tissue paper, wipe the pan in a very low flame. Then with a ladle, drop the batter in the center of the pan slowly. Swirl it around gradually to form a thin crepe about 12 cm in diameter. Then cover and cook for 10 to 15 seconds in a very low flame. Once the crepe start to leave the sides, at that point of time, put a spoonful of mixture stuffing on one side of the crepe and gently fold it from the side of the stuffing and continue till end. Hold the end of folding towards the bottom side of the pan for a couple of seconds to get sealed properly. Take the Patishapta pithe on a separate plate. Again brush the pan and repeat the whole process to prepare Patishapta with the rest of the batter and stuffing. So what are you waiting for? Step in your kitchen today and try out this mouth-watering recipe with your friends and family. This festival season, make sure you enjoy the fresh and moist bite of this Bengali sweet dish. If you like my recipe, comment in my comment section below and subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon